Wayne Gibson with Enterprise Selling Solutions, and I'm bringing this video to you today to show you a few of the navigational changes in the program so that when you go through the program, you'll be able to understand how to get through the new links that we've added. What we've learned over the years is to when we make changes to the program, to not make wholesale changes where people can't understand where it is you're navigating to. Okay, so one of the last big navigational changes we made was a couple years ago when we used to have links or action buttons over here on the left, on the right, and those buttons would take you out to add a customer, add a proposal, and we put those actually under each one of these items here. So like customers, add customer, proposals, create proposal, create service ticket, add part. So whatever it is you're working on, you would do that action underneath the menu item at the top, okay? Over the next several months, you're going to notice the dashboard's going to change, and we're going to begin to include specific features of the proposal like gross margin, number of calls run per day, average ticket by technician, by salesperson, and those will begin really to kind of just appear on the dashboard. You'll notice them as we implement them. They're in design, testing, and implementation right now. But if you'll notice when you go to the defaults tab and you go to the company defaults, first of all, you may notice that these white boxes used to be just blue links at the top that you would click on. It would say company defaults. Well, these are all of the defaults. So company defaults, HR search defaults, load analyzer defaults. So if you click on company defaults, it now will show you basically all of those defaults that used to exist on this page, and are still there. The only difference is we have added a collapse and expand function on each one of these so that you can work on one section at a time. So as we're going through this, you'll notice that there's two things we've added here lately. One is to show upgrades when the upgrade is not chosen, to show it as declined on the proposal, and the other one is to show bulk parts in the edit proposal page. So as you're going through these, you can go through each one of these items and determine what's right for your company, and then go through the margin, the commission, the buy down rate. None of that stuff's changed. Sign that you can accept digital signature, and then you'll just collapse that area. And then keep in mind when you're working in the defaults, always to click save to save it, and then open up VRF defaults, and then you can certainly open up your terms and conditions. And this allows you to, and if you're working in Safari or Chrome, you can expand the box so that you can see more on the page. We put an HTML editor here, so if we wanted to make all equipment bold, you can bold that out. If we wanted to make this a link to our video, we could make that a link, and then put new window, and that now will be a link. You could put all the links to your website that tell your story into your terms and conditions. As you come down, you'll see all the other options, service details. These are actions you're going to do. The Mycroft details, the credits, rebates, and discounts, any upgrades, and then of course at the bottom is the save button. So those are the major items that we've done over the past few months in changing navigational buttons. Again, my name is Dwayne Gibson with Enterprise Selling Solutions. Thank you for watching my video.